screen share. Introductions. Hello everyone. Today I will explain three important nautical publications. These are the Admirales of Radio Signals, ITU publications, and the International Codes of Signals. They help ships communicate safely and correctly at sea. 1. Admirales Radio Signal. First, the Admiralty List of Radio Signal, or ALRS. This is the published by the United Kingdom Aeronautic Office, and it gives details about radio situation worldwide. It tells you frequencies, schedules, and procedure for radio communications. It covers things like distress signal, weather report, and navigation warning. Mariners use it to know how and when you use radio serves while sailing. 2. ITU publications. Second, your ITU publications. ITU stand for International Telecommunications Union. This is the United Nations agency. It sets global rules for telecommunications and radio communications. Its books and documents the benefit standard for the frequencies and signal use. They make sure that the communication work between all countries and ships. It helps prevent interference and keeps communications clear across the world.
International Code of Signal (ICS). Third is the International Code of Signal, or ICS. This is a system of signal for communication between ship and shore. It uses flags, shapes like sounds or radio signal. Each signal has a specific meaning, like trigger, request for help, or simple message. It is designed to be understood. Often when people speak different language, it is very useful in emergencies or when language barrier exists. Conclusion: in explication, the art gives practical details of all radio once it says global standard and rules, and lastly, ICS provides an universal system of signal. While there are important tools for safe and effective communication at sea. Thank you for listening.
Conclusions. In conclusion, the ILRS gives practical details for radio use. ITU set global standard and rules, unless ICS provide a universal system of signal. All three are important tools for safe and effective communications at sea. Thank you for listening.